Today, let's make a grass-fed ribeye steak. Hi, this is Eti and welcome to my kitchen. I love the kind of cooking where you don't need a recipe and steak is one of them. Something I hate the most about going to the restaurant is when I ask for a steak that I want rare or medium rare and then it comes well done. It's such a shame. It's like, come on, respect the cow. So I will usually send it back and I don't care what they say. It is not breaking science to cook a steak. All you need is a single pan and just few ingredients. And you can get a steak as delicious as if it was made in a high-end steakhouse. The main thing that people always mess up is when to take it off the pan. And this is why you get overcooked or undercooked steak. But there's no such a thing as undercooked steak because I eat it rare. I love it rare. Juiciness. With the steak, I'm gonna make my favorite crushed potatoes and some chimichurri sauce. So stick around until the end and watch how I cook the perfect steak. Please, before we start, hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's cook the steak. First, I grab a bunch of fresh parsley, making sure it's dry and clean. I pick the leaves out and then I chop them very thin. Then I just transfer it to a bowl. Then I'll grab 4 cloves of garlic and chop them up. I get 2 small jalapeños, take all the seeds out and chop them up. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. I add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for the acidity, and last 1 cup of olive oil. I mix that all up, taste it. You can always adjust it to your taste. Chimichurri done. I boil some water, I drop 3 big potatoes and then cook for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, I let them cool off. And using my hand, I'll just break them apart, not crush them. I grab a pan, add some oil, get it hot, and then throw my potatoes in there. And then I will just saute them until golden brown and crispy. I set them aside. When it's done, I place them on a paper towel just to get the extra grease off. Now, let's get to my steak. So I just rub it in with salt and black pepper on both sides. I grab a pan, throw some oil, get it nice and hot, actually full heat, full blast. I place my steak and leave it for about 4 minutes for a nice medium rare temperature. Then I flip my steak for 3 more minutes on the other side. The top should have this nice brown crust. In the last minute of cooking, I will throw a piece of butter and rosemary in my pan, and then I'll just spoon the butter over my steak just to get some nice rosemary flavor. In French, we call this arroser, meaning basting. I let my steak rest for at least 5 minutes and then slice it. Look at this nice color. Then I get into my plate, add some potatoes and then my chimichurri over the steak. Et voila, you get a nice medium rare pan-seared steak with chimichurri sauce. If you like this video, please check out this one. I'm doing videos every week, so please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.